Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to make your tweets private. So if you don't want to show your tweet to everyone else, you can do it by using this feature of Twitter. First you need to click on the home section icon. Now you need to click on the left side top profile icon, and after this you need to scroll down and click on setting and privacy. Under setting and privacy you need to click on the fourth option, privacy and safety, and now you can see that there are lots of options will be given. So in order to make your tweet private or only for your followers and people you approve it, you need to click on audience and tag in, and now here you will see that only your current follower and people you approve in future will be able to see your tweet. So if you toggle on this feature, now all your tweet will not be publicly open. Once you approve their follower list, then they will able to see your tweet. So this is the way to make your tweet private. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to make your tweet private. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.